Hello guys, it's your boy Patiso Graphics, and today I'm going to show you how to fix some minor problems in Photoshop. Maybe you are bringing an image and you find it difficult. So let's go. Stay tuned. So you see, say could not complete your request because of blah 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 blah. So I'm going to show you how to deal with this using some simple steps. I'm going to show you how to deal with this with some simple steps. So you go here, you type paint, then you click on it. So when it's open, then you go to file, then you go to open, then you pick the same image, assuming this one. So you pick this one and open. So you are done. Then you go to file, save, file, save as. So then you choose a name for it, maybe XXSX. Then hit on save. So you are done. So you go back, you close it, then you go to our file, then you go to open, then you come here, scroll down a little bit. You're looking for, so this is the file. So it's now working. Thank you for watching it. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.